Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 tips on how you can take more interesting motorcycle photos. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, incorporate model. Next to stationary portrait photos of a motorcycle, incorporate a model. That right away will make your photos more interesting. You'll get a bigger variety of shots, and especially if you chose a model that can actually ride a motorcycle. Because then you open doors to a full range of different category shots, from stationary detail shots of the bike, for example, model having his hands on the handles, taking on and off the helmet, to full body shots on the bike, next to the bike, and of course full action shots, model actually riding a bike. And that takes me to tip number 2, action shots. I think the most exciting way to showcase a motorcycle is by taking action shots. Now you're showing the lifestyle aspect at its best. Bike companies loves it. You will see in every single ad action shots, and also it's super fun to shoot rollers or stunts. Tip number 3, just a creative nugget. So next to a bike and a model, incorporate a third thing. Whether a model is carrying a backpack or the bike is at the gas station and the model is pumping gas. For example, in my latest shoot on the beach, we saw these camping people having an amazing Coca-Cola freezer. So we asked if we could use it as a prep for our shoot. And those photos turned out like a Coca-Cola ad. So those extra elements can create a totally different vibe, theme, or mood. Tip number 4, choose unusual location. Now, when you want to create different shots that stand out from the standard, take that bike and put it where it usually doesn't belong. In my case, for these shots, we took a sports bike into the sand, and you definitely can't ride this bike into deep sand unless you have a dirt bike, which is totally different category. But we rolled by carefully on the sand and we created this sunset chilling by the beach vibe, and that's what made these photos unique. And last tip, number 5, change scenes. When you found a location for the shoot, search around to see if you have any other backgrounds that you can use nearby. And also, if you work with a model, ask them to bring different clothes. That way, in one shoot, you create a huge variety of content that also looks like photos were taken on different days. That helps to create variety, and also it's an awesome challenge for your creativity. So these were my 5 tips for creating more interesting motorcycle photos. I hope you can use them for your shoots. And if you like this video, please let me know by hitting thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.